This film supplements the instructions for use and aids understanding. The film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use, nor does it eliminate the need to provide the prescribed induction or training. The Dräger X-am 8000 is a portable gas detector for clearance measurements in confined spaces and continuous monitoring of the concentration of multiple gases in ambient air in the workplace and in explosion hazard areas. The gas detector is able to measure up to 7 different gases, depending on the Dräger sensors installed. The following sensors are available. Gas warnings are issued based on the sensor configuration. The gas detector can be operated in diffusion mode or optionally in pump mode. The device is extremely robust and certified for X-Zone 0 and temperature class T4. The X-am 8000 is particularly easy to use thanks to the large color display and the 3 multifunction keys. During use, the keys perform various functions. These functions are indicated by the dynamic navigation bar in the display just above the keys. Located above the display are the horn, the pump inlet and outlet, and the gas inlets for the sensors. The top section of the Dräger X-am 8000 accommodates the readily visible LEDs, which illuminate red, yellow, or green, depending on the device's operating state. Additional information is provided in the Alarms chapter. The optional pump is activated by simply screwing on the pump adapter. Toggling between diffusion and pump mode is therefore possible at any time during use. In diffusion mode, the pump does not consume any power and pump wear is reduced. The pump is equipped with a dust and water filter. The filter can easily be replaced by the user and provides additional protection for the sensor membranes. A Dräger sampling hose of up to 45 meters in length can be connected to the pump. The X-am 8000 is equipped with the rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which is charged inductively. Consequently, contaminations have no effect on the charging process and the contacts cannot become corroded. The gas detector switches off automatically as soon as it is placed in the charging cradle and the green LED on the cradle starts to flash. After 8 hours of operation, the charging process takes approximately 4 hours. The battery is fully charged after 8 hours at the latest. An extensive range of accessories help to make the device convenient to use, including shoulder strap with an area for customized labels or marks, a pedestal for area monitoring. Dräger also offers a module for the automatic test and calibration station, XDoc, for the device. Other accessories are described in the technical documents for the device.